Welcome to Easy Math TV. This is part 4 in our series on our introduction to annuities. To remind everyone, an annuity is an account in which a fixed regular payment is made. Either you are receiving money or you are paying money into the account. They all involve some kind of a present value and a future value. Some of those numbers can be known or unknown. And there's an annual interest rate, which we then convert into our compounding interest rate. So we also need to understand that interest is compounded at the same interval that our payments are made. They can't be compounded differently. If that's not the case, there is a way to convert your interest rate into the correct compounding amount. But that's not part of these videos that we're discussing today. So we have this problem down here that we're going to solve. Our spreadsheet was set up in previous videos, so everything's all here. And we're just going to have to enter the correct values in and see what we get. So according to our scenario that's set up here, we have $12,000 to invest now, and we'll continue to make weekly payments of $90 in an account that earns 6.3% interest. And so obviously that's going to be compounded weekly. In 18 years, how much will be in the account? So it's asking, like, if we kept it going for 18 years and continue to pay weekly payments of $90, what would it be worth? So let's enter our numbers in. Starting with the interest rate, we have 6.3%. The time in years, that's 18. The number of payments per year, how many weeks are there in a year? Well, the answer to that is 52. What is our regular payment going to be? $90. Whoops, I typed in 90. There we go. We're making a regular payment of $90. And what is the present value? Well, it's that's not zero because it says that we have $12,000 to invest now. So we're going to start with $12,000. And future value is unknown, so we're going to leave that blank. Okay. So down below where we have our calculations, just ignore the regular payment and the present value for now because those rely on a correct future value amount. So that's the thing that we're really interested in right up front is in 18 years, how much will be in the account? Looking at the future value, the answer to that is 193, 711.79. So $193,711.79. So let's just expand this. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and copy that number up here in H4. So 193,711.79 and hit tab. Now we should see a much better calculation down here in the regular payment column and the present value column. Those numbers now jive with all the information that we gave it. The present value is in fact $12,000. The regular payment is $90. So what's the next question? The next part of the question says, what is the total of all the payments made? We've calculated that in the past. That's here in column E. Again, that's going to equal whatever our regular payment is, F4, times the total number of payments that we're making. So in 18 years, 52 weeks. So 52 weeks times 18, that's 936 payments that we're making of $90 each. So it's just multiply those two numbers. And the total of all of our payments made is $84,240. which seems like a bargain given what the value of our account is actually going to be in 18 years. Given that the interest rate is, not as high as previous problems that we've done, this seems like a really good situation. And it kind of highlights the point that if you have money to invest upfront, do it. Like put as much in upfront as you can, because it will earn interest for a longer period of time. So what's the total of all the interest that we earned? It was $97,471.79. So that's the number in column I. We earned $97,471.79 in interest. So we were able to answer this question with very little effort on our part, because we took the time to set up our spreadsheet so that the formulas were, we thought a lot about how we put these formulas in, and then all we needed to do was put the correct information in the top here up in row 4, and you've got all the information that you might need to answer many problems of this type. So like, subscribe, comment down below. I hope you're enjoying the series, and there probably will be some more annuity type situations, but they're just going to be special kinds of situations going forward. Thank you very much.